an individual or as an healthcare worker, there is some cutoff after which I really needed medical help. I needed a help from a psychiatrist or a psychologist. So, at what time, what is a red flag sign that I should approach a psychiatrist? I would like to request Aprajita ma'am to throw some light on it.
Thank you, Dr. Venkatesh, for the question. So everyone has a different threshold for the stress they get. So red flag will, according to me, differs from person to person. But yes, if there is chronic stress and if you're feeling something that we call burnout in doctors, that is when you should reach out. If you start having mood symptoms, if you start feeling low for most part of the day, if you are feeling there's fatigue, if you're feeling the fatigue, if you're always stressed, if you're feeling restless, if you have disturbed sleep all the time regarding just one situation, then I think if it goes on for more than 2 or 3 weeks, then in that case you should definitely reach out to any psychiatrist or psychologist as per your